Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 2 recipes on how to make a great michelada. The first one is called a Chamoy chelada and the second one is a classic chelada. They're both delicious and there's so many ways to make these. There's so many things you can add to them. You can add tamarind, mango, you can add strawberry. I mean, there's a variety of ways to make these. These are just 2 of the simpler and delicious ones that I like to make. So if you want to know how I make my micheladas, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I'm going to teach you 2 ways to make a Mexican michelada. The first one will be using chamoy. And I have 2 types of chamoy here. It's just 2 brands. They're the same thing. So I pour some chamoy in here and it's like a nice thick syrup. You know, to be honest with you, I don't know what it's made of, but it's delicious. I have rimmed my cup with some lemon all around the rim. Then we dip our cup into the chamoy and we sprinkle Tahin around the rim. And Tahin is just a mixture of chili, spices, salt, pepper, so good. I put some inside my cup. Then I'm going to take the juice of 2 lemons. And these are fairly large, so if you've got small limes, you're probably going to need about 6 of them. And so maybe like 1/4 of a cup of lemon or lime juice. It really doesn't matter. I'm using lemon because that's what I have right now. And honestly, it gives it a very nice sweetness. All right. So now that I have that, the next step is to add about a teaspoon to, I will say 2 teaspoons of Maggi. And this is Maggi, by the way. And about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now, the next step, I'm going to add some Valentina for spice. You can add Valentina or Tabasco. I don't have Tabasco, but I definitely like it with Valentina anyway. Just gonna add a few drops of it. And it all depends on how much spice you want. Then we're going to add our Clamato. And I just bought the typical Clamato, not the spicy one. And we're going to go ahead and pour in about another 1/4 of a cup. And we're going to mix it. We're going to add some pepper. And now we get to add our beer. And it's always nice to use a light beer. So in this case, I'm using Modelo. Just pour that right on top. Mix it up a bit more. And we go ahead and garnish with a cucumber. And there is our Chamoy chelada. Let me tell you, this is delicious. The next michelada we're going to make is just the typical michelada which you get at the store. And for this one, we're not going to use chamoy. We're just going to put some lemon on the rim, sprinkle some Tahin around, and again, similar process. About 1/4 of lime juice or lemon. I'm going to need more Tahin in here. And for this one, we're only going to use Maggis. So probably less than 1/4 of lime juice, about 1/4 of Clamato, small amount of Valentina. We're going to put some more Tahin inside. And for this one, I'm going to use some coarse salt to give it that nice salty flavor. And now we're going to add our beer. And we're going to garnish with a cucumber. So we've got our two types of beer here. We got the Chamoy Michelada and the regular Michelada. There's so many fun ways to make these, so many ways to have, you know, to get creative. It's also dependent on how spicy you like it, how sweet you like it. So get creative. I do make some with mango puree, with pineapple, tamarind. There's so many other delicious recipes that I'll share with you later on. But these are two of the more simpler ones, two of my very favorite ones. And this is going to go great with my agua chile shrimp that I am making today. And there you have it. Super simple, easy way to make two beautiful and tasty micheladas. The Chamoy Michelada and the classic Michelada. They're both so delicious. I must say my favorite is Chamoy Michelada just because I love chamoy. But comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. Again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.